So good morning everyone once again. How many are there? Okay, 20. Okay, no problem. Let us discuss that what we are going to today going to discuss.
Sir, full time.
So I'm going to start. The slideshow. Okay. So Indian Constitution that we are going to discuss today, and how many of you that knowing the preamble of our constitution? Please raise the hand so that I can, so you can give the answer. Preamble. How many of you gone through the preamble of the constitution? Show your. Okay. Okay. So okay, can you that read that preamble?
Yes, sir.
Please. Are the words you are knowing in the preamble? Okay, no problem. So, Indian Constitution, about we are going to discuss here. Before that, if you see that, there, if you are, okay, Dimple, okay, yes, yes, beta, you had raised your hand. Dimple, please share what you want to share. No. Okay. So, yes, Dimple. Am I audible enough?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So, what I asked that if you know in the preamble
So there is a
about
problem.
the, if you are knowing preamble of the Indian Constitution. Not right. Okay. We are going to discuss here, no problem. So let us see that we are going to discuss here Indian Constitution, is book of the Indian Constitution, where our country rule, okay, functions, okay, and here the pillar which is called Ashok pillar, okay, and it is you can see that the Indian Constitution of India, okay. Then we'll go ahead. Here the preamble. So in the preamble, what given there? So you can see that we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India, republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, a liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status, of and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. It is our Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November 1949 do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. So this is the preamble of our Constitution, and here you can see that in the Constitution, the ideas of the Constitution, it is explained in very short. Okay, so we have to keep in mind all these things, and you have to take the screenshot. Afterwards, I will share this video also. But you have to find out this every word's meaning. Those are the written in capital letters. Okay, find out the meaning in English, in your regional language, Hindi or Marathi, and try to understand what this preamble is guaranteeing to the Indian citizens of India. Okay, that we have to keep in mind. So this is important things. Before starting of the Indian Constitution, we have to know regarding this, what actually it is given there. So we have to keep in mind all these things. Okay, so these things you have to keep in mind. Now, Yes. How many of you know this?
So this is the Parliament of India.
Voice is not coming properly.
Yes, it is Parliament of India. It is where is where it's located, situated. Okay, in which city it is? A Parliament of India.
Delhi.
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 It is in Delhi. Delhi is Delhi is. What is Delhi? Or what is the important of Delhi? Which is the capital city of India? Which is the capital city of India?
Delhi.
Delhi.
भारत की राजधानी क्या है? का नाम क्या है? Okay, good, thank you. So it is capital city Delhi, where the Parliament House, where both the houses are there, upper house and lower house, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So daily you are observing this in the news, okay, in the newspaper, okay, etc. You are seeing that. You have to keep in mind. Okay, Parliament House. So the constitution makers, they also sit in this the Parliament House, and they done the debate discussion how the new constitution will be there. Okay, so it is very important things. Again, which is the capital of city of Maharashtra? Capital city of Maharashtra?
Mumbai.
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 Very good. Thank you. Thank you.
Mumbai.
That is also good. So let us see that. Okay. So in front of you here, the building. What is this name of the? Okay. It is located in Mumbai, Vidhan Bhavan. Okay. House. So.
Vidhan Bhavan.
Yes, you are right. So it is there. The our chief ministers and council ministers, MLAs, they are sitting there. Okay, and taking the decision regarding the number of matters. So we'll go ahead. So time is going to be 8. So sorry for the interruption. Today we do not discuss more about this because of the technical problem. Their mic was not working, and here starting I had delay late. Next period we will discuss regarding this. But we have homework for you. You have to just keep in mind that these points like the football. Okay, so football is a game. It is outdoor game. So it is played according to the some of the rules. Are you knowing better? How many of you knowing that football also it is played with the help of the rules?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is played with the
Yes, sir.
Sir, Arya Tangadpalliwar.
Yes, sir. Sir. Sir, Sanchit Khune. Sir, Sanchit Khune.
Okay.
Sir, Arya Tangadpalliwar.
Good. So you have to just
Arya Tangadpalliwar.
okay. So you have to just find out the rules. What are the rules? Okay, it is just homework for you. That you have to find out the rules regarding this. And another one, cricket. Everybody knowing. Okay, about the cricket, etc. So that these also rules are going to be played. And the hockey, these also the game which is played by the rules. Rules are there without rules, not these rules are played. So that we have to keep in mind. Without the constitutions which help for the ruling the country, that is essential. So ideas already we had found there in the preambles of what ideas our Constitution of India is having there, that we are going to discuss there. Then fundamental afterwards after this class, okay, the next period. And our constitution means a set of rules which helping the country to rule, govern, and demand for the country. About that also we are going to so these are the points to discuss. Okay, so this you have to keep in mind. And democracy and monarchy. So one example is given in your textbook about the Nepal, our neighboring country. Okay, northern side country Nepal. So there monarchy means the king was ruling previously. Now that country also changed in a democracy, and democracy meaning, if anyone knowing, please try to give me what is meant by that democracy. So I can next period maybe that.
Sir, this we have to write in notebook.
Okay, democracy. Anyone? Raise your hands and so that I can ask that you have to. Okay, democracy. The government of the people and for the people. That is the meaning of that. And monarchy means only the one single person can take all the decisions. That is the king, etc. In the olden times. About that we are going to discuss next period. Okay. Thank you once again, everyone, for joining. Okay. Thank you very much. We will meet another period. So be ready with some of the little bit information regarding the rules of the football, cricket, and hockey. And that you have to which is given in the preamble capital letters in Hindi and English, so you can understand what is the ideals of the Indian constitutions. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.